Searching for a budget sewing machine under $200 feels like walking into a maze of identical boxes and buzzwords. Same photos, same perfect for beginners taglines, same stitch counts. But the real difference? It's hidden in the details, the ones most brands don't want you to notice. So today, I'm cutting through the noise to show you exactly which ones actually work. Product number 1. Brother FB1757X. Solid and simple. First up, the Brother FB1757X. This white mechanical machine caught my eye because it's from Brother, a brand known for reliability, and it's priced at just $127. If you want a no-nonsense machine that won't quit after a few uses, this is worth a serious look. It weighs about 14.7 pounds, so it's sturdy, and the metal frame means it won't wobble mid-project. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 17 built-in stitches cover everything from basic hemming to simple decorative work, and the 4-step buttonhole makes adding closures way easier than older models. The LED light brightens your workspace, and the free arm lets you sew sleeves and cuffs without struggling. Plus, it's electric with an AC power source, so no battery worries. Now, some people might miss a drop-in bobbin or automatic needle threader. And yeah, threading this one manually can be annoying if you're rushing. But honestly, for the price, the build quality and stitch consistency make it a steal. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner who wants durability without breaking the bank, or someone doing light home repairs. Skip this one if you need advanced features like embroidery or one-touch threading. For under $130, you're getting serious value. Product number 2, Brother CS5055, feature-packed favorite. All right, that was solid, but if the FB1757X felt a bit basic, the Brother CS5055 takes everything up a notch. Priced at $216, it's technically just over $200. But hear me out, it's worth the stretch. This computerized model comes with 60 built-in stitches and 7 one-step buttonholes, which means you can go from mending jeans to crafting decorative pillows without switching machines. The LCD display shows your stitch selection clearly, and the automatic needle threader? Game changer. No more squinting or frustration. Here's why this matters for you. The larger needle-to-arm workspace gives you room to handle bigger projects like quilts or curtains, and the metal frame keeps everything stable. It also includes 7 sewing feet, 4 bobbins, and a trilingual manual. Basically everything you need to start. Now, some users complain about the plastic parts feeling flimsy, and yeah, it's not all metal like industrial models, but for home use, it's more than sturdy. And honestly, the computerized precision at this price is rare. This is perfect for you if you want versatility and ease of use without spending $500. Skip it if you only need to sew once in a while or hate digital interfaces. For the features, this is one of the best deals in budget sewing. Product number 3, RX Melee Mini, portable and dual power. Now, if the last two felt too big or stationary, this next one is for the on-the-go sewer. The RX Melee Mini sewing machine is only $63.53, purple and white, and weighs just 2.4 kilograms. If you want something you can carry to classes, use in tight spaces, or even take camping, this is worth a serious look. It runs on either AC power or 4 AA batteries, super handy when outlets aren't nearby. Here's why this matters for you. The dual switch control, foot pedal or hand button, gives you flexibility, and the 12 built-in stitches cover basics like straight, zigzag, and curve stitching. The reverse function helps secure seams, and the threading guide is clearly marked, which beginners will appreciate. But let's be real, the plastic build won't handle thick denim or multiple layers well, and you absolutely cannot use battery and AC at the same time. Do that, and you'll fry the motor. Still, for lightweight fabrics and quick fixes, it's surprisingly capable. This is perfect for you if you're a student, traveler, or just need a backup machine. Skip it if you plan to sew heavy materials or want long-term durability. For under $70, it's a fun, functional mini option. Product number 4, KPCB Tech Full Set, Beginner's Dream Kit. All right, that mini was cute. But what if you're totally new and want everything in one box? Enter the KPCB Tech sewing machine at $50.82. This isn't just a machine, it's a full starter kit. If you want to open the box and start sewing right away without buying extras, this is worth a serious look. It includes 20 cotton fabric squares, a finger guard for safety, and a full toolkit: bobbins, scissors, thimble, threader, and more. Here's why this matters for you. The finger guard is a small but smart touch that prevents accidents, and the dual speed control lets you go slow for precision or fast for efficiency. The double thread design handles up to 5 fabric layers, impressive for a mini machine. Plus, they offer tutorial videos and multilingual manuals, which is rare at this price. Now, the plastic body does feel a bit toy-like, and it's not meant for heavy-duty work. But honestly, for learning the basics or doing school projects, it's ideal. This is perfect for you if you're a complete beginner, a parent helping a kid learn, or someone doing light crafts. Skip it if you need professional results or plan to sew thick materials. For $50, it's one of the most complete beginner packages out there. Product number 5, Mile&I Mini, Ultra Affordable Fixer. Finally, the Mile&I Mini Sewing Machine at just $25.40. Yes, $25. If you want the cheapest possible way to handle quick repairs or learn the absolute basics, this is worth a serious look. It's blue, plastic, and weighs only 2.2 pounds. But don't let the price fool you. It's surprisingly functional. Here's why this matters for you. The dual speed control lets you adjust for precision or speed, and the double thread lock stitch creates strong, secure seams without manual knotting. It comes with 32 pre-wound bobbins, needles, scissors, a tape measure, and even an extension table for stability. The built-in light helps with visibility, and the threading guide is clearly marked. Now, the big limitation, it only does straight stitch. No zigzag, no reverse, no fancy patterns. And it's not electric in the traditional sense. It uses an AC adapter, but lacks the power for thick fabrics. But for hemming pants, fixing a tear, or making simple crafts, it gets the job done. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget, need a backup machine, or are teaching a kid the basics. Skip it if you want versatility or plan to sew regularly. For $25, it's not perfect, but it's a legit option for light use. So there you have it. 5 real options under $200, each solving a different problem. The Brother FB1757X is your durable workhorse. The CS5055 packs serious features. The RX Melee Mini is portable and dual-powered. The KPCB Tech is a full beginner kit. And the Mile&Aim is the ultra-budget fixer. None are perfect, but each shines in its own way. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. I'll keep cutting through the hype so you don't have to.